Bakit naman sa kanal tinapon tas pag nagbaha magrereklamo? Aware naman tayo generally when it comes to social media etiquette. We don't want to post our dirty laundry. Nakakasama yun for us, pati yung business madadamay. So I'm of the impression na nung binidyoan nila yung sarili nila, I don't think alam nilang mali yung ginagawa nilang pagtapon sa kanal. So I think dun yung problema. Walang awareness sa kung ano yung effect ng pagtapon ng ganitong mga bagay sa kanal. Sa sobrang normalized na nung ganitong behavior, hindi na nila alam na mali pala ito. Because that behavior is accepted as okay, ibang tao din na nakikita to, hindi rin nila alam na mali pala to dahil nga ginagawang normal lang yung ganitong behavior. Chat, let me know in the comments. Do you think that they genuinely don't know? Or for the engagement lang ba to? Because they know it's gonna trigger some people who know that mali magtapon ng basura sa kanal. And then they know that dahil magkaka-engagement yung post na yon, it will be, in the end, good for business.